Hi, I'm Mary, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make the golden sweet cornbread, and I'm going to modify it a little bit because instead of using just the all-purpose flour, I'm going to use corn flour. A girlfriend of mine tried this, and she says it came out really good, so that's what we're going to do. So we got 1 cup of corn flour, okay? And now we're gonna add 1 cup of the corn meal. It's the same stuff that you use when you're making the polenta from scratch. So 1 cup of cornmeal. Okay, then we're going to put 2/3 cups of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. And 3.5 cups, 3.5 teaspoons baking powder. Don't put 3 cups because it'll never cook. So 3.5. Teaspoons baking powder. Okay, now we're going to stir that up, mix it nice. So this is all the dry ingredients is. I keep on looking down because I got my recipe written here in front of me. Okay, so now that that's done, the oven is already preheated to 400. Now we're going to stir in the egg, the milk, and the vegetable oil. Egg. 1 cup of milk. I knew that was going to happen. It always happens to me. I always get the end of the milk. The milk, so 1 cup of milk. And 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Now, instead of vegetable oil, you could also use butter. But I've got this on hand, so 1/3 cup. That looks about right. Okay. So we're going to add that in. For this particular recipe, you don't need a blender. You can just blend it all with your spatula. And you just got to blend it enough to get all your dry ingredients is mixed in nicely. And it's going to be a little bit lumpy. That's okay. Normal. And that's ready. Beautiful. Look at that. See? Okay. Now, let me get my my pan. Sorry, I should have did this before, but you know me. I didn't. I like doing everything as I'm talking to you. So this is my pan. I'm going to get it ready. I'm going to spray some cooking spray. Canola oil cooking spray. Okay? I'm going to pour this mixture into my pan and pray for the best. I never made this before. I love cornbread, especially when we go to those the Rib Fest in the summertime. Oh my God, I die for that cornbread. And my husband is a big fan, so I figured, you know what? I'm gonna make some cornbread for us. Okay, that is ready to put in the oven. It's gonna go in the oven for 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, and check with a toothpick and we'll see what happens. Talk to you soon. Timer. "25 minutes. See you in 25. Peace out. Ready to come out of the oven. Oh my God. This looks so yummy. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Actually, I just remembered this used to be one of my mom's favorite, was the cornbread. I don't know how I forgot that. Oh, wow. How about we just use this? Oh, look at that. And it smells so good. That looks pretty good to me. You know what? I'm dying to try it. I can't because it's too hot. Well, that's never stopped me before. Maybe I can take a little piece. Yeah, here we go. Oh boy. Okay, you know what? My God. You know what's going to happen? My husband is going to demand I make this in the summer with every barbecue that we make. Oh my God, it is so good. I keep on being amazed in this kitchen. I love it. I'll talk to you later.